I have got a great hack for you guys today. I saw another creator do this. Unfortunately, it was on Facebook and it wasn't the creator's page. And of course, the page that shared her video had not credited her, and I could not figure out for the life of me who this creator was to credit her myself. So unfortunately, we're gonna do it, but I did not come up with this. I can't tell you who did, but I wish I could, and if I ever figure it out, I will let you guys know. So the first thing we're gonna do is put our hair half back in a little ponytail. When I'm doing a small ponytail, I always use a small hair tie so that we're not creating a lot of bulk using an unnecessarily large hair tie. You don't want to make this too tight. I'm actually going to loosen it just a tiny bit. There we go. You want it a little bit loose for this part. We will tighten it later. Then you're going to take a tail comb or something sharp, and you're going to put it right against your scalp. Now, when we do the zigzag, you want to make sure the whole time you're keeping it against your skin. So it's going like this against your skin. You're not putting it in your hair and doing it up here in your hair. It's going against your scalp the whole time. So we're going to start at the center, and we're going to make a wide zigzag. Kind of going back and forth a couple inches until you get back to the ponytail. Then I'm going to stick my finger in where that comb is, take my comb out, and now I'm going to make a hole. I'm going to flip my ponytail through the hole. Now we can tighten, and your ponytail is going to probably want to flip forward when you do this. I just add a little clip if it's doing that. Mine's actually, of course, like not really doing that today. But if it is, you can add a little clip. You could also have used a clear ponytail, hair tie, whatever you call. See, now it's gonna flip forward on me. I'm just gonna loosen all of that a little bit. And I'm gonna use this clip instead because the other one's a little too small. There, we'll just clip that so it stays back and doesn't flop forward. And it's just a little cute half up, but look at the detail on the top. It kind of looks like you did this pretty little folding over thing. It's not crazy, but it just adds a little bit of interest to your hair if you want to wear it half back off of your face and a little half ponytail. And it's super, super easy to create that. I would add a little bit of my smooth stick here, just otherwise these baby hairs are gonna flop and that's gonna change the look, and I wouldn't want that. You could also do hairspray, gel, anything just to keep those little hairs back. But yeah, really fun, really cute. And I thought that would be a fun one to share with you guys to try for the summer. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that gives you another fun style to try. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe if you are not already a subscriber here. Like my videos because that really helps me out, and share them with your friends so we can grow our community here at DIY Hair School. I will see you next time. Bye.